Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you ways to use Metatrader on PC. So in order to log in or use Metatrader on PC, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, in order to do this procedure, you have to open up a browser, use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. And on the web address bar, type in metatrader5.com/en. That's going to take you to the official page. And here you can see this is how it's going to look like. So on this page, you could go ahead and download Metatrader 5 for the Windows by tapping on it, or you could just go to Web Terminal. When you press that, it's going to take you to the official page, which you could use it through a web browser without installing or downloading it. So mark on the terms and condition, and you could just go ahead and press on Open Demo Account. And when you open a demo account, you could just go ahead and click on Get Started with your account. Then you could just go ahead and tap the try bar icon from the top right, and when you are on this page, you could go to your profile from the top right, and you could just press on the connect to account button, enter your login information, that is your password, and then all of that, click on connect to account, and you'll have successfully logged into your Metatrader 5 account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.